DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Yo. What's good, gang? It's your boy Jambisco back with another banger reaction. You already know what time it is, gang. You don't know what time it is. Yeah, man, we're back in this with none other than the so-called wickedest ghostwriter in the world, in the whole of dancer right now. Allegedly, them man a roll free man like Kyodi, Shano, and a lot more. Just to name a few, gang. You don't know who they are with. Yeah, man, we're there with none other than KhapitaL. Yeah, man. And they want to name Blood. They want to sticker matches. Yeah, man, they want to name, KhapitaL, Blood, Shano, and Kyodi. This. Yeah, man, they don't know. KhapitaL is the ghostwriter that DeMarco allegedly exposed. We did a video on that. Definitely go check it out. The song was crazy. I believe the name of the song that he did was Damn. Oh my God. I can't believe. Say me I draw a blank. The song that he did was what was it? This KhapitaL Ghostwriter. Yeah, Ghostwriter. That was the name of it. Ghostwriter. Yes. What the hell is wrong with me? Yeah. The song was called Ghostwriter. The Shano and Kyodi this. But KhapitaL is back today. They want to name Blood. Yeah, man, the Shano and Kyodi this. But we're gonna check it out, gang, and see what I go on. If the dog still have a flow and the lyrics to my everything, you know, might be true. Wait, dog, I say no, but now go. Hold up with my emotion. Let's check it out, gang. Let's jump right in the chat. This is KhapitaL Blood. Let's get it.
Push boy can tell what push boy I am. Kyodi, move your head. Stick a match, yeah. A gym bro.
Hold on, man. Say yo, Kyodi. Man, say Kyodi, move your head. Come on.
Which boy can tell what push boy I am? Kyodi, move your head. Stick a match, yeah.
Man, say Kyodi, move your head. Kyodi, move your head. Stick a matches. Blows that skirt. Then the might man chop the head that come in.
The thing loud and a gym brown and I feel me fans of the new sting crowd and the thing got turn up too much for bring down, you know. I coulda who you little fucking clown.
More climb and say fans of the new sting crowd. Oh, go on, yo.
Hey, no, Sophia Lune, no. Shine no little one style played out from right. You do the plot on your plane road up.
Yo.
Hey, gon' clap on the brain out. Man, solid as a rock. Them a play though. When the real Taliban attack, them a lay low.
Yeah.
Don't no playground, so don't play around.
Yeah. Walla, Bombo climb and say she no little style played out. You have it do plaster in your hair. Yo.
On the payroll, ever ready to go do the chop for the peso. They gon' lift up in the back from me say so.
Yeah.
I got a bag of my ticket.
Oh, you say I'm ready for blood, please do the thing for the peso. Lift up any bat if I say so. Yo,
it's like a bit in Alaska, carry the Draco. Ain't no pussy for test. I coulda NATO, bet down, push up your chest. Listen a stage show.
Oh, man say no pussy for I coulda NATO. Bombo cleat. And a JA NATO, my talk about no man, cause JA Bex but no real involved in this. But you don't know what.
I'm good in the West. Hold on my bed down. I say me for y'all for no say. Which part on the bad? Don't say so. Lock on the bumbo clock mouth. Which part on the bad?
Man. How that make a ghostwriter do this so? A ghost I go kill you, bro. A dead all on.
Don't say so.
I could knock down them bad Dante, them was mad.
Don't say so. Don't say so. Anyway, them a turn up around. That's a go wet up.
Don't say so. Don't say so. Anyway, they stand up and this a go wet up. Lay down. Hey! You better stop playing with them man there, no. We don't know where they better come from, you know, but they could have found.
Anyway, them a turn up around, that's a go wet up. Lay down, that's a don't get up. Copy them, me will have done, that's a come matches, man, I the god for this. After give me the black ziggy, so me rock with it. If I no killer, no cartel, and not Diddy. Which bumbo clock DJ?
Voila, if I no killer, cartel, and not Diddy. Which DJ go cartel? And that's what I say. How we jungle.
That's a don't get up. Copy them, me will have done, that's a come matches, man, I the god for this. After give me the black ziggy, so me rock with it. If I no killer, no cartel, and not Diddy.
If I no killer, no cartel, and not Diddy. Bongo jungle. Hey man, say I no killer, no cartel. I forget cartel out of prison, bro. I never get Idonia. I never get killer if you kill him. You no care. Look, man say, oh yo, no Schweppes. Hey man say, oh no noobs. The man say, oh no play. You see me? Come in.
Clark DJ fi bad for me. Chat to me. Mr. Leng better got the bricks, got the
Woohoo!
things them glad fi see. Rhapsody, MG got 2 packs.
Why the Mr. Leng better got the bricks, you know, cause yo, hey! Jongo, you know, man, I want go on. We must say, pay the mark on.
Better got the bricks, got the gift for the fans, them glad fi see. Rhapsody, MG got 2 pack biggie. Look anyway, you now go find no match for this chat lyrics. From that you say me top the list.
Oh, man, say yo, look anyway, you now find no match this now. Mr. Leng better have the bricks, you know, bro. Cause we come here, hey, cause me having the.
Never that fi kick, black fi chip, cause them little man ya bat fi flick, clash fi
Oh, man say for a funeral that fi kick, black fi chip, cause them little boy a bat fi flick. Told the man say your brain must, hey. Man say gunshot to the brain excuse.
Not them not take quick facts me spit, so log on and go watch the fix that me pick it like them with them Nazi shit claps we kick.
Hold on there, man mention the fix. KhapitaL adjustment this last night, bro. Cause the freestyle for the fix just dropped yesterday, say just make this last night. Bongo, jongo. You know what Greg say about the fix now?
So log on and go watch the fix that me pick it like them with them Nazi shit.
Hold on there. Weird. Let's dog a fire, no? Dog a fire like a bombard. Engine pistons. Yeah, man. Yo, come in, where you are going?
Not take quick facts me spit, so log on and go watch the fix that me pick it like them with them Nazi shit claps. We kick bust them head out and snap the pick. I fake them badness plastic-ish.
Man, say go watch the fix, bro. You see me? And I want to go on. Yo, man, hey! Well, the man say now move like Hitler with that Nazi shit. You see me? I said, what? Boom, you are going.
Them head out and snap the pick. I fake them badness plastic-ish. After this pussy hole on the bad.
Man say a plastic badness you deal with, bro. The man say your badness make a China my yacht. Yeah, man, the man say your badness come like a Clark's boot. Make a China, bro. You see me? I say, yeah, man, the man say you come like a Chinese Jordan, bro. The man say worker than the fake lettuce. But they used to see in an aisle what they are. You see me? Yeah, man, bro. I don't me say so. I never me say so. A KhapitaL say so. Come on, man.
Don't say so. Tap on the bumbo clock nice. Which part on the bad? Don't say so. Tell them don't say so, little nigga. Don't say so. Anyway, you got an up around there. So
go wet up. You man are going hard, bro. You man are go hard. Me not lie to you. Jesus,
lay down there, so don't get up. Yo, daddy no boy, we send go sleep, never wake back yet. The case that break, run up on the grave that dead. No weak one sec, but lift it up and lace that crep. I just do way Kyodi head big, make a straight shot catch him. I beat that
neck. But the way man head big, a straight shot catch him. Kyodi man say you are hungry man when you have to aim after when you try to shoot you. The man say me can't aim in the opposite direction and still catch a big head, bro. The man say you have an automatic homing device on the front of your forehead. And then Mr. Sir, stop with the man should have shot him a block. Stop with it. But my boss out him for it, make him brains dash way. When brains accept them, brains stop who grave drop next to grave that set.
Yeah, man, you see quick Kyodi now. I'm tell you is if you know it's a stranger that
you dog bad for show name bad. Dog a chop your blood.
Hey. That's a dangerous thing, that guy. It's like him head big and they shot them a fire and you know it's hard to miss.
One of them say, yo, Kyodi, if you know this, yo, what are dangerous thing? You see me, cause they shot them a fling and head big and they hard to miss. So I don't think you know where I get.
Yeah. When I come on and know about Redlands Road. Common sense, one uptown. All of Redlands Road say KhapitaL. Uno bad. Don't say so. Which part uno bad?
Uno bad, dog. Don't say so. Don't say so, don't say hey.
Say so, little nigga, don't say so. Anyway, you got an up around there, so go wet up. Lay down there, so don't get up. The clown presser.
Man say lay down flat in the road, my youth. The man say, yo, hey. Man say lay down flat or dirty. Don't get up. Know your place. Man say like man go left in a road like a dead dog, bro. Jesus.
Burn up, boss. Any pussy run up, get burn up fast.
Yeah,
tell them to come on if I turn up them badness or something, brother. It's like who not run a hide and you see me? You used to say this too easy, bro.
Man said the burn up boss and the boy run up and burn up fast, you know. Kyodi, man, my dude like some burn up chicken, bro. Come on.
Sleep. Spanish Town. The new KhapitaL.
Soon as Spanish Town become the new KhapitaL, though. You don't know about the party. You see me? I say, anything I say, you see me? Oh, Jungle, that KhapitaL no come to play with the man, them, bro. KhapitaL no come to play with the man, them, J. The man say, yo, dog, yo, I go on Kyodi. I go like your bad man, your plastic is fake, bro. Your plastic, you must say your plastic is fake. You go like your badness is fake. A plastic badness said they win, brother. Man say, yo, dog, you don't know about war, dog. You don't know the dangers of war. You see war and think a fun thing. You know, say gunshot a beat and a bark and a fling. And your head big and you can't miss it. Man say you got a tracking device on your forehead. Man got say you got a home beacon on your cranium. You see me? Hey man say me can't shoot in the opposite section and lift off your head top, bro. Jaja. Man say you got a world ahead. Yeah man. But anyway, gang, let me know what you think about the one there in the comment section. Yeah, man, that is KhapitaL. That is allegedly Shano and Kyodi, so a ghostwriter. And it seems like, yo, according to him last show, the dad didn't work him, take him lyrics, take him style, a bad mind him, film talent. Does him not give him no credit. Not even a PM for the work him put in. So man say, yeah, what going now? Me not get no tune for this, the Marco. I guess the other falling out. And now, the beef is where it's at right now. So, we there for the war, we there for the mischief, we there for the, you see me? Yeah, man, we there for the body them. Yeah, man, we there again. So, let me know what you think about that one in the comment section. If you like your show, that's some of our support. We know that's a Jambisco dance. We there for the war. We cover everything in the war. Every song drop, every disc fling, you see me? We there, man. Yeah, it's a vibe, gang. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know who you think you bringing. Do you believe KhapitaL? What do you think about KhapitaL? Is he talented? Do you think he's bad enough to take on the world? Let me know everything in the comment section. You don't know. Till next time, gang. It's a boy Jambisco. I'll be here another hit and a smash, another banger. Next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.